To link multiple asset checklists to our asset type, we must first consider if it is a migrated inspection period or an old inspection period. Pairing, let's try to create an asset checklist and link it to the both inspection period asset type. If it has it tapesin old inspected period, we cannot link multiple checklist. Now let's migrate that asset type so it can allow multiple checklist. The linking was successful, and now we will head back to that aspect. Atifta, track list created is linked. Here is the track list of to created, and it is now linked to the